Give those wallet stats a quick glance. They're straight up massive. Want to earn like that too? Stick around because I'm dropping the full method that made it possible. I spent months testing meme coin strategies. I invested in bad projects like this and kept losing money, but this method finally changed everything. Go on Photon and set the filter to pump fund DEX. You'll notice a wave of meme coins getting launched nonstop. Most of them are complete garbage, popping up every second and disappearing right after. It's expected when literally anyone can create a token instantly, so if you're trying to profit, pump fun ain't it. Don't waste your time. Looking at the Radium launch list, you can instantly see the difference. Almost no new tokens coming in. Only a small number have been created in the past few minutes. Now compare that with Pump Fun. It's a total contrast. The buzz around Radium launches is insane. Just look at the market cap stats. Pump Fun doesn't even touch those numbers. Why? Because launching on Radium takes actual coding knowledge, which weeds out weak projects. That's why we're going this route. Let me show you how it's done. I randomly came across Launch Tool and wow, it's seriously powerful. Totally overlooked in crypto. You can launch on Radium with zero programming skills, which makes it perfect for beginners. Just a few clicks and boom, your token is out there. I've been using it every week, and it keeps delivering profits like clockwork. Got my logo ready, found it on Google, and it fits perfectly. Went with a trending meme again, because let's face it, that grabs attention fast. I strongly suggest looking for something that's viral and funny. It makes people FOMO instantly. That's been my go-to move lately. Open up Canva, click Create New Design, set the dimensions to 128 by 128, do any touch-ups you want, and save it. Quick and clean, just how it should be. Go to Launch Tool and begin by typing in the basic token details. I'm entering Absolute Cinema Coin for the name and ACC as the symbol. For the description, add something meme-worthy, but nothing's hitting right now, so I'll skip it for this coin. Then choose your saved logo and move to the next screen. This brings up the tokenomics section. Leave everything as is, it's pre-configured correctly. The full 1 billion supply will come in handy later. After hitting next, you'll be taken to the creator info page. Just so you know, editing anything here costs 0.1 SOL. Honestly, not a smart way to spend. I leave it disabled and skip ahead. The next screen gives you the option to add social profiles. You can link them, but I always leave that blank. Continue forward. What's coming now is one of the most crucial stages. Be warned, toggling the wrong setting could ruin everything. Why is this such a big deal? If you leave Revoke Freeze unchecked, you can halt trades whenever. Revoke Mint left on, you can print tokens nonstop. Revoke Update lets you rewrite any part of the project on the fly. And trust me, if investors notice any of that still active, they're gone. You lose credibility, and with it, you're shot at making sales. No need to touch anything else. Just click Launch My Token. Phantom should pop up right after. Confirm like you normally would, and boom, you're done. Your token is now active. You can check all the information you need about your coin, but I'm heading to SoulScan to verify mine. And yep, it's live on the chain, but don't celebrate just yet, it's not ready for trading. One more step ahead, so let's continue. Open Launch Tool again and hit Create Liquidity Pool. You'll be redirected to Radium instantly. Connect your wallet before anything else. Then choose your meme coin as the base asset. Use the dropdown, copy the token address from Launch Tool, and paste it under the Select the Token section. Now enter your coin details. I'm using ACC as the symbol and naming it Absolute Cinema Coin. Click Add User Token and tap your token again to confirm it's selected. Input 900 million tokens. That's the go-to supply amount from 1 billion. Select Sol as the quote token. You're the first buyer, so hitting max is totally safe. Be sure to leave out 0.2 Sol, that's Radium's liquidity setup fee, and it'll be marked in yellow. Then choose a 2% fee tier. Once you've entered everything properly, hit Initialize Liquidity Pool. Confirm the wallet notification that shows up. And just like that, your trading pool is now active. Go to Photon, and you'll see your meme token already listed. That part's good. Now let's review the live chart. Visit dexscreener.com and click on any random token to start. Let it finish loading. Switch to Launch Tool, copy your token's contract, and paste it over the existing one on DexScreener. Hit Enter. The chart for your coin will load right away. Any early activity is likely bots jumping in first. No need to panic yet. Let's be patient and wait for activity to show up in the order book. Keep checking your Radium portfolio from time to time. Stick with standard mode. Your position will show at the bottom soon. These things can take a couple minutes to reflect. Take a look at this. Let me scroll down real quick. Look, we got our first buy, $34 or about 2 sol. But the thing is, I didn't catch it at the right time because I was AFK. Anyway, it was placed 10 minutes ago. Wait, no way. The second buy just came in while we were still reviewing the previous one. That's insane. $58 or very close to 0.34 Solana. This is starting to get extremely wild, to be honest. You'll see a couple of sell orders too, but that's not a bad thing. It actually boosts volume and makes the coin look more active to new buyers. And there it is. Our third buy came through. 0.49 sol, which is exactly $84. Just glance these upper numbers. Liquidity is at $686, and market cap has hit $743. That's a great start, and I'm optimistic we'll see those numbers climb. What's wild? You don't even have to promote anything. This whole system can be repeated over and over. Like I've said, it works like magic. We've got a ton of sells showing up across the entire order book, and that's not a good sign at all. Like, you can see there is... Oh, hold up. I didn't realize this is a new order. I thought it was our previous one. Well, it's $118, making it almost 0.69 sol. I'm taking the hint and rugging this coin right now. Quick reminder, this is for educational use only, and outcomes will vary by person. Before I pull the plug, let's glance at the numbers. Liquidity is at $754, and market cap's at $892, and we're only 50 minutes into this. That's a massive move in such a short window. I'm more than good with that, so I'm taking my profits. Go into Radium, link your wallet, and choose the standard option. Click the minus button right here. Push the slider up to 100%. You will see these big numbers that may confuse you, but keep your eyes on the SOL. That's what you'll actually withdraw. Press Remove Liquidity, approve the transaction, and there it is. The confirmation pops up. That means the profit's in your wallet. This part always hits. Open Phantom and check it out. I started with just $230 and turned it into $385. Also, just so we're clear, I'm not connected to Launchtool, Photon, or Radium. Everything shown is strictly for educational purposes. It's been working great, but no method is guaranteed forever, so act while it still works.